I am Shan, currently doing my engineering from the UAE Lahore. Today I will tell you about the book Wonders of Quran. This book has been written by Abdul Mustafa Azmi. He was one of the students of Ahmad Reza Khan Bedi, who is the great scholar of 13th century. So one thing the most important in his writing, he writes in abstract manner so that every common man get his point of view and idea. So in this book he written this book in his last stages of life. So he wrote every incident and miracle of Holy Quran in this book. So if you want to learn and understand what type of wonders and incidents came in Quran, you should read this book. Thank you very much.
Alright, this is overall very good. Just try to be a little more energetic. And when you're talking about a religious book, so you should have like a little spirit inside you that I'm speaking about my religion and all that, okay?
Yes.
That should be shown in your eyes as well. Good job, Shan. Very good.
Thank you.